Hello once again, this is another celebration of life video for a science at home activity with Miss Holmes. So today I am going to be talking about the Build a Satellite activity. This activity is two parts. The first part is to build a satellite, and then the second part is to fill out a worksheet that goes along with that satellite. If you received a mission pack, you'll find all of the materials you need for this activity in your mission pack. If you didn't receive a mission pack and you still want to do this activity, you can. Recycled materials, things that you have around the house to build things with already, even food materials you can use to do this activity. So please be creative. That being said, if you received a mission pack of materials and you want to use other things, go for it. For example, this tip box was included in the mission pack to use for the container of your satellite. But if you don't want to use it, that's okay. Maybe you want to use a cardboard box or a styrofoam container or even a plastic bottle. Any of those would be great options too. So just because we included it doesn't mean you have to use it. If you don't have a mission pack, the idea is to gather an assortment of materials that you could use to build your satellite. A chopstick, a cardboard core, pipe cleaners, a pellet pestle,
a pellet pestle, a pellet pestle, a pellet pestle, a pellet pestle, a pellet pestle,
ribbons, aluminum foil, a plastic container, Q-tips, pom-poms, brass fasteners, toothpicks, sequins, and buttons. Oh goodness, there are sequins everywhere. You can use all, some, or none of these things. Maybe you would rather use bottle caps and string or toilet paper tubes. Do it. Now you get to assign a role to each of these items. They will be one of 5 pieces: a container,
a power source, a scientific instrument, a communication device, and an orientation finder.
You can learn about more of each of these in your cover sheet. But here's the thing, I'm not going to tell you which material is supposed to be what. That's 100% up to you. Now you need to assemble your satellite. You can use glue or tape, which we provided in the mission pack, or anything else that you think is going to work. Once your satellite is built, go to the activity worksheet and fill out the questions. For question 1, your satellite is being sent to space to study either the moon or Mars. Which one will you choose? For question number 2, I'm asking the actual material that you used for each part of your satellite. For example, look at the communication device. What material did you actually use that represents the communication device? For question 3, I want to know, how is your satellite getting energy? Is it using solar panels or batteries or another type of power system? Question number 4 asks about one of your scientific instruments. Now, you might put more than one on your satellite, but you only have to tell me about one. Does it take pictures, measure temperature? Let me know in that activity sheet. Question 5. What does your orientation finder use to help it figure out which way is up? The stars, the sun? Write it down. Now for the last question, number 6. Scientists won't send an expensive satellite into space without a purpose. So what do you want to learn with your satellite? I hope this answers any questions that you have about the satellite activity. So have fun, and I can't wait to see what you build.